There is a FEMA guide out there. It's actually on their website. It's called the FEMA Emergency Financial First Aid Kit. It's a nice little booklet. It's got a lot more tips on it. It's got some worksheets and some checklists that you can use. You can download this. It's available in a PDF at FEMA.gov or ready.gov. They give you some other information too on how to make an emergency kit, a food kit, a survival kit, those types of things as well. It's also in a physical copy if you have access to that, but you can just download it. And I will say that superseding all of this is if something happens, tornado, flash floods, whatever it might be, it's most important to take care of yourself, stay safe, address all of your immediate needs and put your financial needs later, right? We can sort out the financials and sort out the money issues later, but it's really important to obviously protect life, not take any risk, get everyone out of harm's way.